Namaskaram, this is Seshadri, your level advisor, corporate trainer, PAST IC member. HR statutory compliance for the month of March 2025. In this video, along with the March 2025 compliance, we have added training for the month of March 2025. What are all the updates happened during February 2025 as well as judgments, important judgments also is part of this video. Please watch till end and share to all your HR fraternities. First one is compliance. In March, we need to pay TCR filing as well as payment for the month of February 2025 wait month, PF, as well as international workers. If you have in your organization, that returns also to be filed on or before 15th March for the month of February 2025. Second compliance is ESI, monthly challan we need to prepare and pay on or before 15th March 2025 for the month of February 2025. Third one is professional tax. Other states we are usually pay on monthly basis. In Tamil Nadu, there is a two split. Now we need to pay this month for the 6 months. On or before 31st March, we need to pay professional tax from October to March. For that, we need to provide data to the village panchayat as well as if we are in corporation. For corporation, you need to provide. Fourth one is factory inspectors. Dish, we need to pay pressure vessel testing fees. If any pressure vessels are identified in your organization, we need to pay fees for that as per your state amount. As well as medical examination for the people who are working in special category as well as dangerous operation or hazardous process, we need to do medical examination. For that, we need to pay medical examination fee to inspectorate as well as dish. Important events this month, March month, we have safety day on 4th March. Theme is this year theme is safety and well-being crucial for Vikasit Bharat. That is the theme for safety day. Women's Day on 8th March, World Women's Day, we are going to celebrate. Any help on this, please contact us. Training and workshop this year, HR session we are having at Chennai as well as Andhra Pradesh, Tada. Mastering performance appraisal methods as well as redesigning your salary structure with reference to code on wages, because new code on wages administering the wage definition in different way according to the wage definition that the code the same definition is followed in all the codes. So we need to redesign our salary structure. So redesigning the salary structure as well as performance appraisal methods we are going to see in this workshop. Please contact Mr. Dinesh for further details. As usual, we are having webinars on Sundays, Thursdays as well as the Saturdays. This month we have added webinars on English also. Labor laws for women. On the day of Women's Day, we are starting our English webinar. This month we have another webinar on digital personal data protection. This is very essential. HR must understand. Last year this act has come shortly. It will be enforceable. So we must understand about that act also. Accordingly, we can make our organization ready for this act. Another act, EPF session, that also we are going to conduct in English. Other state people also can join. This month we have technical section on 7 QC tools as well as lean tools on 16th March as well as on 23rd March. All are online. We can contact Mr. Dinesh for booking this. Statutory updates, UAN activation for the incentive schemes, UAN to be activated mandatorily. For that, dates are keep on extended. Now it is extended up to 15th March 2025. If you need any support for UAN activation, the link is given in the description box as well as available in this Jagada channel also, On-Call HR channel. You can see those videos and then easily share the videos the employee can activate on his phone. And recently 237th meeting of Central Board of Trustees EPF held. In that few decisions are made which is very essential, we must understand. One is interest rate. As of now, it is recommended to Finance Ministry, same, that is 8.25, which was given last year, same interest rate. And EDLI, there is a slight change also. They are going to bring in EDLI scheme. First year when the employee joins, and in that first year, if any employee dies, there will be a minimum amount of 50,000 they are going to give, as well as the contribution in that they during his death. If there is no contribution but he is on roll, for them also EDLI will be paid. As well as gap, one employee resigns on Friday and then join in another organization on Monday, there is a gap of 2 days. Those 2 days is not considered earlier, now it will be considered. Another thing is he has updated, many ministers updated on pension on higher wages. 72% of applications already processed. That's what the good information given by him. Now pension, it is paid on centralized pension. By that the employee can have account in any bank in India, he will get the pension. And then damages, it was rationalized. There is a ambiguity in that. There is something litigation also going on, so it was clarification given by the minister. In case the notification of changing the damages 1% per month came on 14th June 2024. From that day only that is applicable. Before, whatever the things are due, that will be treated in the earlier rates. These are all the updates in 237th meeting. ESI Panchadip 2.0 is going to be start. Earlier 1.0, in that only lot of digitalization brought in ESIC. Now they are going for 2.0, so more digitalizations are expected. ESI Corporation completed 74th year. The foundation day, it was celebrated on 23rd February 2025. CPI points for Chennai, it has released up to December. This year average only going to be taken for the next year DA revision. We can easily calculate this average. With this average, you can find out what is the DA increase for your organization. Some of the updates, the settlement by EPFO. EPFO given this flyer, 5.08 crores claims were settled during financial year 2024-25. This is very highest record. As well as the amount was 2.05 lakhs crore, it was distributed. And auto claim, it was enhanced. By that auto claim, 1.87 crores were settled. Then ESIC, we want to get the benefit of sickness benefit or extended sickness, temporary disablement or maternity. You can apply online. You need not to go to any branch office. You can log in esic.gov.in. In that member portal, you can activate. If you are already activated, you can activate. Then you can submit the bills there itself. That is one of the information from ESIC. Employment trends, if you say agriculture, it is the largest employment providing sector during 23-24 also. It will raise from 44.1 to 46.1. As well as next is construction industry. It has raised to 11.7 to 13%. This is one of the information. Judgments, very good judgments came during this month. Some of the judgments, important judgments I have listed here. Sexual harassment case. Sexual harassment meaning it is the significance of the women, not the intention. Again, it was confirmed by Madras High Court. Full-fledged inquiry is not required or mandatory if the misconduct is admitted by the employee. It is confirmed by Bombay High Court. Another case, employee cannot challenge the inquiry on the grounds of natural justice when he did not leave any evidence. He has not given any evidence, so he cannot go and question the natural justice. That is the Supreme Court of India given this judgment. Appointment letter, there is one case in Delhi High Court. Printed appointment letter without letterhead, without signature. Yes, that is not valid. That's what it is confirmed by Delhi High Court. Gratuity. In that employee definition, even though one employee is getting consolidated pay, he will be treated as an employee and he is eligible for gratuity. That is confirmed by Madras High Court. POSH, ICC cannot make the complainant. So you cannot drag. You want to conduct a fair inquiry, fair opportunity to both the people. For that, you cannot grilling the cross-examination of the name of fair. That's what Madras High Court confirmed on POSH. Then inquiry is not mandatory when a workman voluntarily abandoned, he has not returned to the work and he is not interested, he has expressed he is not interested to join duty, then inquiry is not required. Bombay High Court has given the judgment. Who is skilled worker? That is given by Supreme Court of India. A person performing work which a normal person can't do without the decision is a skilled worker. That's what a definition given in judgment. ESIC court, that is ESI can decide when in the schedule what are all the injuries, what is the percentage of compensation we need to go. It is mentioned in the schedule. When the schedule is not mentioned, some area ESI can decide what is the percentage to be given. That's what confirmed in Gujarat. EPFO lot of judgment has come. Documents which is not produced before the EPF authority, when it goes, our case goes to tribunal. If you want, yes, we can provide. That's what confirmed by Gujarat High Court. Initiating 7-year proceedings on the basis of enforcement officer report without supplying relevant document is illegal. So, the enforcement officer has to supply and ask our opportunity to be given to the employer to justify his position. Then only they have to take it to for implementation. Consultants, one consultant appointed by the organization on fixed monthly payment, then it is treated, he will be treated as an employee in the eyes of EPFO, then we need to pay PF for him also. That's what I mentioned, confirmed by Telangana High Court. PF authorities cannot initiate new proceeding. Already a 7-year proceeding is finalized. Again, he cannot take that 7 year, again he cannot initiate. That's what confirmed by Punjab and Haryana High Court. EPF authority can take sumoto review. That means first 7-year review has happened. 7-year review give opportunity given to the employer, finished, report has been settled. Again, employer is requesting to review. That time 7B review will be happening. During the 7B review, anything omitted by the EPF authorities, they can include. That's what the Madras High Court has confirmed. PF is payable on conveyance and special allowance paid uniformly generally to all the employees. That is Kerala High Court. It is already also several cases are there on that. So if we are paying without any variation, without based on any performance or sales, then it will be treated as a basic pay. Then PF we need to pay for that amount also. Thank you for watching. I will come back with another video with good content. If you are liking this video, please share to all our HR fraternity. We will get back to you. Thank you.